So the psychological impact of alienation. Parental alienation isn't some tragic misunderstanding. It's psychological warfare with legal cover. It's not turning your child against you. It's brainwashing dressed up as parenting. And the judge, he sat there polishing his glasses, wondering if you've attended a parenting course, while your kids having their love for you surgically removed with emotional pliers. The weaponization of attachment is not good. Attachment is meant to keep a child safe, but alienation is twisted into a weapon. One parent weaponizes fear, loyalty, and love, like some twisted Jedi mind trick, and the kid becomes collateral damage. This isn't co-parenting, it's hostage negotiation with finger paintings on the fridge. Alienation is not a breakdown in the relationship. It is a successful campaign of psychological splitting. Dr. Craig Childress gives a great metaphor. It's like asking a starving child to choose between oxygen and food. Whatever they pick, they're going to suffer. That's not parenting. That's psychological cannibalism, shame, guilt, and fear in children. A kid saying, I don't want to see dad, isn't speaking for themselves. They're parroting the party line, scared to break rank. They've been trained to survive the emotional landmine that is the alienating parent. It's not rejection, is survival. And the court calls it wishes and feelings. The kid, well, for me, like the kids asking for a new bike, it's not like the kids asking for a new bike, not suddenly screaming for emotional freedom. The child does not reject the parent out of hate. They do it out of fear of betraying the parent who controls the emotional climate. There's a quote from Jennifer Harmon, PhD. Now, look, I met a 6-year-old who refused birthday presents from his dad because mummy says you're dangerous. Dangerous. This is the same dad who brought him Spider-Man pajamas. Apparently dad's more terrifying than Thanos on ketamine. This is how alienation rewires a child. It's disorganized attachment, fractured identity, and the emotional literacy of a grenade. One parent becomes safe, the other toxic. Not because of facts, but because of fear wins. By 18, they've ghosted you. For so long, they forgot why. All they're left with is shame, anxiety, and a massive therapy bill with your name written on it. If you walk into family court yelling, she's alienating me, and you'll be labelled the angry dad. Walk in and say, there's triangulation, psychological splitting, and suppression of my child's autonomy, and suddenly the court realises you've done your homework. Final line, this isn't a custody dispute, it's identity theft. Your child is the prize and the weapon and the victim, and the system's telling you to keep calm, telling you to keep calm and co-parent. And what with what? A narcissist and a Kafkas officer who thinks Stockholm Syndrome is a city in Sweden.